families. Today we honor them, and we thank you for all the good things that are ours because of them. Their love for us has been a sign of your divine affection and a shading in your holy love. Their continuous concern for our needs and welfare is a mirror of your holy providence. Bless those fathers who are separated from us by silence, injury, or violence. Lift the burdens of guilt that touch us with your healing and forgiveness. We remember our fathers who are now with you. May they who have shared their very life with us live forever with you, O Lord our God. Bless our fathers this day with strength, happiness, and good health. May His blessing and all graces, we pray, descend upon